All right, back out here today, getting ready to do a little painting. Throw some primer on these walls and this ceiling and see if we can't turn it into something. Got a little Sherwin-Williams drywall PVA primer and sealer. And then over there on the truck, got a gallon of sealing white. Gallon should do this. A little bit of sealing here and here after I get some primer on it. And then see if we got time to get some paint on those walls in there. Stick around, I'll try to set you up and see if I can't get a little time lapse. Well, it's moving right along. Got the ceiling primed, got 3 walls primed. It's kind of hard to see because it's all white, but I like that little bit there, but I had to get some more paint. This thing, or primer, this thing is sucking up the primer, but it's all good. Kind of figured it would. That's why I'm doing it. Didn't want it to suck up my wall color. All right, stay tuned. All right, while we've been waiting on paint to dry, went ahead and put up my other couple lights. I had an issue there and couldn't figure out those last 2 lights there weren't coming on. Come to find out I had a loose connection in this one here, so got that fixed. Put these 2 or 3 pieces of metal back up on the wall just to get them up off the floor, keep it from getting messed up. Went ahead and dressed out a couple more circuits I had run into the breaker panel and put that cover back on so I don't lose those screws and get that panel messed up. And now we're going to break open the old Ultra Ceiling White paint and primer. Probably could have just done it in one coat or with the paint and primer. This stuff's really white, the primer sealer. I'm hoping I'll be able to see it, tell what I'm painting and what I'm not. Anyway, I'll get a coat on the ceiling, and then I'm gonna try to get a coat on these walls before I get out of here today. All right, stick around. Well, as I figured, there's like 0 difference. The only way I was able to tell what I was painting was was just the sheen. It was showing wet. Got both of these sealants painted. Jump in here now and put some wall color on here. Got a little Valspar signature interior paint primer. There again, probably could have done this with just the paint and primer, but for I think it was 74 bucks for 5 gallons of drywall PVA primer. It was worth it to me to go ahead and prime the walls and the ceiling. So, all right, try to set you up and maybe get a little time lapse again. All right, well, got them done. Ceilings and walls primed and painted. Come back, painted all the ceilings, good coat. They all look good. And come in here and put first coat on all the walls. That's gonna do it for today. I can come back in here and hang my lights now. I gotta cut a light over that shower. The wire's up there for recessed. I can go ahead and dress out these switches, receptacle, switch there, and washer box, dryer, one light up there, another receptacle, and a switch here for this light above. But yeah, I think everything turned out good. I'm no painter. I can do it. I'm just I don't enjoy it like I do some other things. If it wasn't for the cleanup, if you didn't have to clean up everything. But paint for a few minutes and no clean up for a few minutes. So it is what it is. I got it done. I didn't have to wait on anybody else to do it, and it didn't cost me anything. So that's gonna be it for this. Put some of that time-lapse stuff together, and it's dark. It got dark quick. Time changed last night, and I slept very late this morning. And then I realized I'd slept an hour later than what I thought I had slept. So it is late out here now, and I'm gonna get cleaned up, make sure everything's cut off, and I'm going to the house. Appreciate y'all watching.